So here's the update on the dust collection system. So basically I've got all my stuff kind of organized on this wall along here. This is all on wheels so it can come out. My air is going to go up and over, and I've got a reel there. I'm probably going to mount right about there so that we can use it for tires or whatever on that side of the garage too. And then I'll have air over here. And so basically the vacuum system is going up, going over. This one's going to come down. I've got an idea for, I've got a little carrot, like a Lazy Susan swivel carousel thing. And the idea is I'm going to put, this is the center mark there. But the idea is to put something right about here, or maybe back a little bit because it's, and then have it to where it can swivel so that this can actually move freely, and then build some kind of frame on it so it keeps it at an angle so it gets to that center point, and then it can go back and forth at least. So there's minimal of the that hose, because that's kind of not so great on suction. But this is actually really nice how this works. So I open up this vent. Hang on there all the way. Not too bad. And then the other one I basically went into, I was going to start getting some more of this, but I only needed 5 feet of this. So I went to Home Depot and kind of matched up. I took one of these with me. And then this one I've also got set up for static. So I ran it. I've got another video where I ran the tape on the inside of this long one. And then I'll show that video at some point. And then I've just got a static electricity this. And then it's capped off right now. And then that way we can have car vacuums or whatever. The planer can be set up over there. So I'm actually pretty happy about this. What I did with this is I just went and got all thread. And basically I've got these on the bottom ones, I've got these little nail-in connectors. And I've basically got a, what is this, 3/8 inch drill bit, and that is big enough for this to go through, and then also for the all thread, which is this, so it can go straight through, and then connect to that on the bottom. And then the top side, I basically took the same 3/8 bit, went all the way through a piece of wood, and then on the top I went with the top half I went with 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch. So basically 3/4 inch there with the 3/8 center so that the rod could go through. And what this does is basically allows for a receded washer and then a nut. And I got it the depth enough to where it's flush to this. So that's how those are. So it's just basically got wood screws up into the joist. But on the other side of that all thread is basically just a nut and a washer, which is really nice to make this to where if you need to change it, all you need to do is just turn this and it moves this up and down. And same with either side. So the adjustment makes it real easy. You just turn it, and then it'll just raise that little lower bar, and it holds it on there pretty good. I mean, that's pretty good weight. But and that stuff's not even glued in, that's just pressure fit. But yeah, that's it. That's the, get a wider shot of that. It's coming through there, going down through there. All right, thank you.